Hey there, food explorers and cooks. Are you tired of the same old comfort foods like mac and cheese and chicken noodle soup? Do you crave something exotic and exciting to warm your soul on those chilly nights? Well, look no further, because I've got the scoop on some truly unique and delicious comfort foods that will take your taste buds on a wild ride. Now, I know what you are thinking. Exotic comfort foods? That sounds intimidating. I'm not sure I can handle all those unfamiliar flavors and ingredients. But fear not, my friends. I'm here to guide you through the world of exotic comfort foods and show you just how easy and fun it can be to expand your culinary horizons. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a tasty adventure with me as we explore some of the most scrumptious and soul-warming dishes from around the globe. From spicy curries to hearty stews, we'll cover it all in this epic culinary journey. But before we dive into the mouth-watering world of exotic comfort foods, let's address the elephant in the room. I know that trying new things can be scary, especially when it comes to food. But trust me, once you take that first delicious bite, you'll wonder why you did not step out of your culinary comfort zone sooner. So, how do you solve the problem of bland, boring comfort foods? Simple, by trying something new and exciting. By discovering the world of exotic comfort foods, you'll not only tantalize your taste buds, but also expand your cooking repertoire and impress your friends and family with your newfound culinary skills. Oh, by the way, I'm leaving the detailed ingredients and instructions on how to prepare these dishes in the video description as well. With that being said, let's dive into the first exotic comfort food on our list, the mouth-watering Japanese curry. Japanese curry. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, minced. 2 large carrots, peeled and chopped. 2 large potatoes, peeled and chopped. For cups water or chicken broth. 1 package Japanese curry roux, store-bought. Salt and pepper to taste. Cooked rice for serving. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the chicken in a large pot. Heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are browned on all sides. Remove the chicken and set it aside. 2. Sauté vegetables. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Sauté until the onion is soft and translucent. 3. Add carrots and potatoes. Add the chopped carrots and potatoes to the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Add liquid and chicken. Return the chicken to the pot. Add the water or chicken broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. 5. Add curry roux. Break the curry roux into pieces and add it to the pot, stirring until it is completely dissolved. Simmer for another 10 minutes, or until the curry thickens to your desired consistency. 6. Season and serve, seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the curry hot over a bed of cooked rice, garnished with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Brazilian vegetarian feijoada. Ingredients: 2 cups dried black beans, soaked overnight and drained. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 large onion, chopped. For cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, chopped. 2 carrots, sliced. 1 zucchini, chopped. 1 cup smoky tempeh, cubed. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 bay leaf. Salt and pepper to taste. For cups vegetable broth. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Cooked rice for serving. Orange slices for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prepare the beans. Soak the black beans overnight. Drain and rinse them the next day. 2. Sauté vegetables. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté until they are soft and fragrant. 3. Add vegetables and tempeh. Add the bell pepper, carrots, zucchini, and smoky tempeh to the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Season the stew. Stir in the smoked paprika, ground cumin, dried oregano, bay leaf, salt, and pepper. Cook for another 2 minutes to allow the spices to release their flavors. 5. Add beans and broth. Add the soaked black beans and vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beans are tender and the stew has thickened. 6. Finish the stew. Remove the bay leaf. Stir in the chopped fresh cilantro. 7. Serve. Serve the feijoada hot over a bed of cooked rice, garnished with orange slices. Koshari. Ingredients: 1 cup white rice, 1 cup brown lentils, 1 cup pasta, small shapes like ditalini or elbow macaroni, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup vegetable oil. For cloves, garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 can, 15 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the rice and lentils. Cook the white rice and brown lentils separately according to package instructions. Set aside. 2. Cook the pasta. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. Drain and set aside. 3. Fry the onions. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions and cook until they are deep golden brown and crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. 4. Make the sauce. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground cinnamon, and cook for another 2 minutes. Stir in the crushed tomatoes and vinegar. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for about 10 minutes, or until the sauce thickens. 5. Assemble the koshari. In a large serving dish, layer the cooked rice, lentils, and pasta. Pour the tomato sauce over the top and gently mix to combine. Top with the crispy fried onions. 6. Serve. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Serve warm. Korean bibimbap. Ingredients: 1 cup white rice, 1/2 pound beef sirloin, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup bean sprouts, 1 cup spinach, blanched and squeezed dry, 1 carrot, julienne, 1 zucchini, julienne. For shiitake mushrooms, sliced. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons gochujang, Korean red chili paste. Salt and pepper to taste. Sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the rice. Cook the white rice according to package instructions. Set aside. 2. Marinate the beef. In a bowl, combine the soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and minced garlic. Add the thinly sliced beef and marinate for at least 30 minutes. 3. Sauté the vegetables. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Sauté the bean sprouts, spinach, carrot, zucchini, and shiitake mushrooms separately until tender. Season each with a pinch of salt and pepper. 4. Cook the beef. In the same skillet, cook the marinated beef until it is fully cooked and slightly caramelized. 5. Fry the eggs. In a separate small skillet, fry the eggs sunny side up. 6. Assemble the bibimbap. In a large serving bowl, arrange the cooked rice at the bottom. Place the sautéed vegetables, cooked beef, and fried egg on top of the rice. Add a spoonful of gochujang and sprinkle with sesame seeds. 7. Serve. Mix everything together before eating. Serve warm. So, there you have it, food explorers and cooks, a tantalizing tour of some of the most exotic and delicious comfort foods to warm your soul. I hope you are feeling inspired to step out of your culinary comfort zone and give these tasty dishes a try. Who knows, you might just discover a new favorite comfort food that will become a staple in your recipe rotation. But do not just take my word for it. Get into the kitchen, roll up your sleeves, and start cooking up a storm. And be sure to share your culinary creations with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel Cook Pros, liking, sharing, and commenting on our videos. Happy cooking, my friends, and may your taste buds forever be delighted with